Hey, welcome back everybody. Welcome back to Fat Bass TV, where there's gonna be no fat bass caught today. I did go fishing this morning. Didn't catch a fish. But, with that being said, we do have some things to do today. So let's go outside and see if the mail has ran yet. And I have to cut my grass today. Before 6 o'clock. Because at 6 o'clock, Mississippi State plays Georgia. No mail yet. I have a very important package I'm waiting on. And it's gonna have to do with tomorrow. What are you doing tomorrow, Jack? Might you ask? Well, tomorrow, I'm going fishing. And I plan on doing a super mega ultra MTB slam, if everything goes as planned. So far everything's working out. I still got to cut the grass. Keegan's brushing her teeth in the kitchen, but anyway, I got to rig up a few rod and reels. I got to fix a few reels. That's the package that I'm waiting on. Set this out for delivery today. I don't know, we'll see. But, with that being said, let's get into the day.
You watch.
Huh?
You always watch what you want to watch. Is this yours?
I never said you couldn't watch cartoons.
Yeah.
I said you can't watch cartoons in the living room because we're watching football. You can watch anything you want in your bedroom. That's why you have a TV in there.
I meant while we're eating.
No. There will be football on while we're eating. So, what? That?
Yeah.
I don't know whose that is.
It was laying right there, so.
Cool. Jackson gonna stay here?
Where's my little bag thing?
On the counter, I guess.
That's Jackson's. It's open. I laid mine. Oh, never mind. Wait, I forgot to take my shake.
Wanna drink it? Hurry up.
Yeah,
Did Mama leave you some?
Teeth.
I don't think she did.
No, sorry.
Okay.
He already brushed his teeth. Be nasty anyways.
That's okay. What are you doing?
I've got like 3 pieces of gum in here.
Okay, well let's go.
4.
Let's go. We have a lot to do.
We only have to do one thing.
No, let me rephrase that. I have a lot to do.
No, cut the grass.
I don't-
We're out. You said while we're out, we only have one thing to do.
That's why we're out. I have a lot to do when I get back.
Cut the grass.
And,
Wash clothes.
and,
Watch football.
and,
And eat.
no, I have to get this boat loaded. I have to get all this tackle prepped and loaded. I have to get all my rods rigged for the tackle that I'm gonna use tomorrow. Plus I have 4 reels that I have to fix before tomorrow. And by fix, I mean improve, make better, thanks to Spool Speed Bearings.
That's not our problem. Nope. None of that's our problem.
Let's go. Just because he's sitting on your side doesn't mean anything. I promise you're gonna live. Whew, it is like, let's put it in gear first.
I'm just saying you can see that it ran over the curb, right, Daddy?
It is like super hot in here.
Yeah.
To be the second day of fall, and it's
Hot.
97 degrees.
That's not normal how fall is. That's not normal. It's what, Daddy? You have a crack in your windshield.
Yeah, I have a big crack in my windshield thanks to the, oh man, can't get it. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but thanks to the gravel truck yesterday that almost ran me off the interstate and then got in front of me, I now have a giant crack in my windshield.
That's your first time getting a crack
Mama. She may be on her way home. Hello, Mama.
Hey, Daddy.
What are you doing?
I'm waiting for work. What are you doing?
Well, we were just fixing to go get something to eat. Do you want us to wait on you? And we'll all
Where are you going to get?
go as a family?
Yeah, where are you going to be at?
It's okay. It's no big deal. Windshields can be replaced. So now,
They just cost a lot of money.
yeah, they do. So now we made it back home. We're gonna wait on Melissa now. She's on her way home, so we're gonna wait on her, and then we're gonna go do what we need to do.
We just went around in a circle.
Yeah, we did.
Not that.
All right, guys. So it's been a few hours since the last time I talked to you. The mail showed up. We got the bearings put in all the reels. We went to the store to get some shrimp. We were gonna cook some shrimp on the grill, some sausage. Get home, get everything ready. Come out here to light the grill, and raining. It is what it is, right? Yeah. Maybe to quit soon. Maybe. We'll see. It's not gonna rain on my parade though. Looks good to me. What about you, Mom? Does that look good to you?
Yes, that looks great.
Alright. So we're gonna eat these shrimp. And hopefully Mississippi State will win. I don't know. We'll see. They're losing right now, so. But anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate all the comments. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. So keep commenting. Keep doing what you're doing. If you haven't seen this video or that video, either one, check them out. Subscribe button is right there. Boom, hit it. See you tomorrow.